out here today cooking some steak on this fire. Earlier today we made this little hut and a teepee little area and just hanging around over here and make our steak. We're gonna start off with some cardboard and some lint. And what the lint does is it's actually a really good fire starter. And so we're gonna try and get started and we'll get back to you.
So now we're gonna put the steak on. Here we have we have seasoned it just before we came out here. Pretty fresh, a lot of lemon. So, real simple. Get out the smoke. Bring it over here. Take it out. Big juicy steak. Set on top, right there. Already hear it sizzling. Now we gotta get the big better. You have to get some good sticks on there. Get it roasting and get back looking.
Okay, so now have the fire going a little bit. Flames are getting high enough to the steak so it can grill pretty well. Yeah, and after it cooks good, we're gonna flip it, take it off, and then have some good dinner. Like William was telling you, we put 3 different seasonings on there. One was a little spicy. There goes the flame coming up. And one was a little spicy, but the other 2, those were some seasonings that we've used before. They're really good. We're hoping this will turn out pretty well.
So we flipped it once. It looks pretty good. Got a nice crisp to it. Went inside, got some ranch and A1 and some water balls. So it'll go good with the steak. And I'll give you a quick shot of what it looks like now.
Real crisp, not burnt, but a little crisp on the sides and the edges of it.
That's real good. So it's gonna be
It's
yummy.
looking good.
We cut it open to see how well it was cooked, and it needs a little bit more time, so we're just letting it run. So
Maybe
get back.
a couple bursts of flames with the cardboard.
Yeah, and then we'll be back when it's done.
That middle of the steak hopefully will cook a little better, and when we get back, hopefully we can eat it and it's good.
Here we have our steaks. It's a size salad. Looks pretty good. And
So the middle of the steaks were pretty raw, so we put them back on for a good amount of time, and then we started poking them some more, and they got a little hard. Well, not hard, but they got tender, and so we took them off. They're looking really good. Side of Caesar salad, and guess
now we eat.
it's time to eat.